Hey everybody, we're out here at Cisco Partner Summit, and I ran into Bharath about talking about Cisco Spaces and healthcare, and it was a really interesting use case that you gave me. Can you give me some more information about that?
Awesome. So for people who don't know about Cisco Spaces is a cloud platform that helps you make your building smarter. And we extend that beyond just a building in the form of a workspace to more of a healthcare scenario as well. And we are building some exciting new use cases, especially for healthcare, and something that we have released over the past quarter. And some of these use cases that we see are here on the slide, where we let you connect your devices seamlessly into using something called as open roaming and carrier offload. And what I mean by that is, let's say you're on your cellular device, you're walking outside a hospital, you're in an emergency, and you walk into a hospital. Connecting to a network shouldn't be something that you have to think while you're entering a hospital. It needs to be ubiquitous. It needs to be simple. And that can be done with something called as carrier offload. We will let you offload your data network from cellular to a wireless connectivity inside. Now, since you have data connectivity, you can't talk to your loved ones. It's easier for you to communicate with whoever is necessary, right? So that is one of the most useful use cases, like like low-hanging fruit use case that we provide with Cisco Spaces. Now, you're inside your hospital campus. You've connected to your network. The next thing you want to know possibly is figure out a way how to get to your appointment. Now, hospitals in North America, hospitals across the globe are huge. They are campuses, multi-buildings, and getting to an appointment is a pain. Me personally, when I park my car in a hospital, I probably get there on time for the appointment. But by the time I actually get to an appointment, I'm 10 to 15 minutes late, because by the time I figure out where the appointment is, it takes forever. Now, if I'm late for my appointment, uh, there are two important things that happen. One is I have to reschedule because I'm late for it. I either have to wait for hours because I was late for it. And on the other side, hospitals are also bearing the brunt of it because someone else canceled the appointment where they should have probably used that time better. How do we make use of this time better? How do we let hospitals know, hey, you know what, direct my patients directly to the appointment? We are coming up with an amazing new use case for healthcare, which is we are letting you navigate indoors. We are letting you navigate your hospital campus using our indoor navigation product. And we'll definitely take a quick look at the demo. But that basically lets you, as a patient, as you walk into a hospital campus, as soon as you park your car in your garage, we'll let you open up a lightweight app. You don't even have to download that app. It opens up on your phone and gives you the same Blue Dot experience that you might get from a Google Maps or an Apple Maps, but for your healthcare campus, so that you can seamlessly navigate to your appointment.
So this reminds me of a Cisco Live we had back earlier this year, and there was in the app, it was how to get to where I needed to go. Is that the same technology that we're using here?
It's the same technology. We used to always hold it up for workspaces or a smaller environment. Now we are expanding it into a campus environment. We are adding more healthcare goodies to it. In some ways, campus navigation was not something in our portfolio last year. We have added navigating between buildings. So let's say you want to go from building A to building B. You can navigate using BLE or Bluetooth Low Energy within the building. And when you're outside the building, you use GPS to navigate to the other building. And when you're back in the other building, you again navigate using BLE. So indoors, you use BLE. Outdoors, you use GPS to navigate. We've added all the ADA features to this. So basically, you can do multi-language, voice-over. You can do step-free routing for accessibility. So we added a bunch of new features in order to enable navigation for healthcare. All of this is also packaged as an SDK. So if you have an Epic MyChart app, we give you a piece of software as an SDK so that you can load it into your MyChart app and publish this for your customers.
And that is really amazing. A lot of use cases here.
Yeah.
Where can I go learn some more about all the stuff that you're doing?
We have an amazing website, spaces.cisco.com. I'll give you a quick visual of it. This is our website, spaces.cisco.com. This has all the resources. It also has something called as a license checker and a smart spaces builder, which lets you build whatever infrastructure is needed as a pre-sales or at a pre-deployment stage, so that you know how many access points do I need to get for my indoor navigation outcomes? How many access points and where do I need to place them for my asset tracking use cases? A lot of our customers, a lot of our partners have these questions. All of those can be answered on this website.
Amazing. Thanks so much for your time today.
Thank you very much.